tomorrow is Jake's birthday. He is turning 41, and I was asking him, do you want to do a birthday party or what do you want to do? And he was like, let's just do a dinosaur themed birthday party. And I was like, perfect. Just gonna do plates and a couple dinosaur things and keep it simple. And a week later, I have a whole pile of dinosaur stuff hidden right here from Jake in our laundry room. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening and getting everything ready to prepare for his party. This is all the stuff that was piled up here. I opened up all the dinosaurs. Look how awesome these are. They're so fun. I found these all at Target and Walmart, and those are really fun. And I'm excited I got an electric Jurassic Park Jeep. This is gonna be awesome. I wanted some activities that we could do as a family, so I got Play-Doh and these fun cookie cutters. So I'll link to where I got these cookie cutters below. Check out how awesome these inflatable dinosaurs are. These were a 6-pack for 23 bucks. And this one even flies. It has an attachment that you can hang it. Here's the fun dinosaur puzzle, and then check out how cute this is. It's a volcano and it zips up, and then inside it's filled with dinosaur plushies. This is the best. So these were some more little family activities I thought we could do together with Jake and the girls to celebrate his birthday. Okay, let's try this out. Woohoo! It works! This is so cool. I also got this fun dino themed water table for the party. This is gonna be fun, and I'm gonna use it as decoration somewhere. Now that I've gone through all the stuff that I have, I am going to run to a local party store, Zurchers, and find some balloons and a couple things like that. And I need to get a couple greenery items, so I'm gonna run to Michael's, and yeah, this is gonna be a fun adventure. I'm excited to set everything up. I'm gonna wait to set everything up till tonight after dinner when Jake's upstairs, because I want him to come downstairs and have the whole thing be a surprise. I just got home with some balloons and lots of party supplies. I'm so excited I found everything I need. Girls are in bed and it is time to start recreating this space. I still need to take down those Valentine's balloons and put up some new balloons. I'm going to try and do green garlands. I might add in some gold and white because I have those on hand, but we'll see. And I want to make balloons so it's kind of like foliage, so it's like you're walking into the jungle, you know, get that full vibe. But we'll see what I have time for tonight because it's 7 p.m. and I don't want to stay up too late. So we'll see what I can get done. Alrighty, 200 balloons blown up. This is exciting. Now to turn these into garlands, I'm gonna link below how I make balloon garlands if you're ever interested, because they are super fun and pretty easy. One garland down. Getting the garlands up. I made this one too long, so I'm gonna need to take some balloons off of it. But it's coming along, and here's that one. I made that one too long, but I thought it will be cool off-center. All right, this one's all done. I took the excess balloons from the top one and put them over here so it's longer on that side. I picked up a dinosaur kit at Zurchers, and I was so excited because it had lots of fun dinosaur plates and pin the tail on the dinosaur. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Making some progress. I can't find all of my mason jars, and I wanted to do some things like this for the table with rocks. So we'll see if I can find those. And here's some balloons. I need to hang this. I need to find places for all the dinosaurs. Look how cute that guy is holding the balloons. But check out these cool guys in the little Jurassic World. Time to take a little break and wrap some presents. Davey and Scout got him some Legos, and then this is her stuff for breakfast that I picked out for him. I also got him a Jurassic Park shirt, so I'm gonna wrap that, and got these cute shirts for the girls to wear. Right now I'm working on party hats for the dinosaurs. I cut out little zigzags out of cardboard and added those. I'm still working on this area. Added some fun dinos on the cabinet. I hung the flying dinosaur. I'm super happy with that. This guy's got his party hat already. Put these fun stuffed animals out over here. This guy sure knows how to party. Well, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's officially Jake's birthday. I'm just finishing up. I didn't get around to all the little details that I was hoping to do, like little dinosaur footprints on the floor and special wrapping paper that I wanted to make and things like that, but there's always another party, so I can do that another time. But I'll take you around and show you all the little details. Well, that's a wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and let Jake take the camera over when he wakes up in the morning.